Hello and welcome. I am the Senior Tech Sage. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you been hearing words like artificial intelligence, AI, or ChatGPT lately, and quietly thinking, that's probably not for me? If so, I want you to take a breath because you're not behind, you're not slow, and you certainly haven't missed your chance. Technology didn't move faster because you failed to keep up. It moved faster because it always does. And today we're going to slow it down, explain it clearly, and show you how AI can actually make life easier, not more complicated. By the end of this video, you'll understand what AI really is, what it is not, and why it might become one of the most useful helpers you've ever had. Let's start with the biggest question of all. What is AI? Forget the movies, forget robots, forget science fiction. Think of AI like this. Imagine the largest library you've ever seen. Now imagine that library has read every book, newspaper, manual, and guide inside it. And instead of you walking through endless aisles, you simply ask a question and the answer comes to you. That's what AI does. It doesn't think like a human. It doesn't have feelings. And it certainly isn't making decisions for you. It's a tool for words, ideas, planning, and explanations, just like a calculator helps with numbers. AI helps with language and information. Here's something most people don't tell you. AI isn't designed for people who want to move fast. It's designed for people who want clarity. You don't need quick fingers. You don't need perfect spelling. You don't need technical knowledge. You can type slowly. You can ask the same question twice. You can even say, "Explain this to me like I'm new." And the AI will patiently respond every single time without frustration or judgment. That's why seniors often end up using AI better than younger users. You ask better questions. You think more carefully, and AI rewards that. In the old days, if you wanted to know how to fix a leaky faucet, or find a recipe for sugar-free jam, you had to look through books or spend hours searching the web. With AI, you just ask. Imagine having a conversation with someone who has read every book in the world and wants to give you the summary in 10 seconds. That is AI. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Imagine you need to write a letter to your insurance company, your bank, your landlord, or a doctor's office. You know what you want to say, but the words don't come out quite right. You simply tell the AI, "Help me write a clear, professional letter explaining my situation." In seconds, it creates one for you. You can change it, adjust it, or ask it to make it friendlier or firmer. Or imagine you're planning something, a trip, a medical visit, or even a weekly schedule. You tell the AI your limitations, your preferences, and your pace, and it helps organize everything clearly. It doesn't rush you. It doesn't judge you. It works with you. AI is also wonderful for everyday curiosity. You can ask about foods that work with your diet. You can ask about exercises that are safe for your joints. You can ask about medications, side effects, or medical terms your doctor mentioned too quickly. You can even ask simple questions like, "Explain this form to me. What does this letter really mean? What questions should I ask my doctor?" This isn't cheating. This is using a tool wisely. Let's look at a real example. I'm asking this AI tool to write a letter for me. Look how fast it works.
Write a polite letter to my landlord asking to fix the porch light.
It used the right words and kept it professional. If you want it shorter, you just say, "Make it shorter." It's like having a private secretary who never gets tired. See this? It didn't just give me a list of hotels. It thought about my needs. It's suggesting the best views that don't require hiking. This is how technology serves you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it safe? On this channel, safety is our priority. We'll show you how to use these tools without ever giving away your private information. You're in control. I know the internet can feel like a minefield. Here is the sage rule. AI is a tool for information, not secrets. Never give an AI your social security number, your bank details, or your passwords. Treat it like a helpful stranger at the library. You can ask them for directions, but you wouldn't give them your house keys. That's why this channel exists. No rushing, no jargon, no pressure. We'll walk step by step, slowly, clearly, and patiently. We'll repeat things when needed. And we'll always focus on what actually helps you, not what's trendy. You don't have to master everything. You just have to start. Technology changes fast, but wisdom is timeless. Let's walk into the future together. Hit the subscribe button, and let's make AI work for you